that noise? One dark summer's night there was a strange, low, rumbling sort of roar. It grew louder and louder and louder, and then it rumbled again some more. "What's that noise?" cried Baby Bunny, feeling nothing but dread and fright, though what crossed Baby Badger's face was a look of curious delight. "Maybe it's a chorus of aliens singing loudly in the sky," said Baby Badger with an excited twinkle in his eye. "Could it be a roaring lion visiting from the jungle far away, or crashing ocean overflowing into the water park where we can play?" Baby Bunny replied, "I've never heard such a terrible noise before. The whole wide world must be coming to an end, I'm sure. What if it's a giant coming to stomp on us all? Or a huge great rock thundering towards us like a cannonball?" Finally, Baby Badger said, "Come on, Bunny, that's enough. It's no good imagining all this silly, crazy stuff." So they went into the forest to find the mystery sound. They both picked up their ears and they listened all around. "Listen here, this must be it. See, it's not so bad." Baby Badger pointed to some frogs, each on a lily pad. As an orchestra croaked, one frog stopped to say, "I wish that rumbling would stop. It's been roaring all day." So they continued their search, looking this way and that, till they stumbled on Fox hitting acorns with a bat. "I love this game," said Fox with a bright, toothy grin, "but I can't concentrate with that terrible din." Suddenly the real rumbling noise was clearer than ever. So Baby Badger and Baby Bunny both huddled close together. The noise was coming from a cave, so Baby Badger tiptoed inside. But poor little Bunny felt completely terrified. Bunny hid behind Badger in case they came to any harm. But when they peered inside, she saw there was no cause for alarm. Baby Bunny said, "It's Big Bear." The noise was him all along. A bit of snoring isn't scary. How could you have been so wrong? So they banged on pots and pans. They even bounced up on the bed. It took a while, but Big Bear soon woke up and rubbed his head. "Oh!" went Big Bear. The sound made all the cave walls shake. "I can't believe I overslept. What a terrible mistake." Big Bear stepped out of the cave into the bright, hot, shining sun. "I've been stuck in there for too long. It's time to have some fun." Before everybody knew it, the forest party was in full swing, and Baby Bunny learned facing your fears is more important than anything. We finally found the noise. It wasn't scary in the end. I'm so pleased I did it all with my very best friend.